boxer for this. Ano kaya to, guys? Bigay ito ng ka-classic ko eh. Ano kaya to, guys? Bigay ito ng ka-classic ko, guys. Ano kaya box siya, guys? Kaya akin to, gusto squishy. So, satisfying na. Wait lang. Ito siya, oh. Ito siya, guys, oh. Ganda niya. Ano kaya gusto niyo makuha ng squishy, guys? Pepper squishy lang daw laman nito, sabi ng classmate ko yung bago. Ito pa, oh. Wait lang. Wait lang. Woo! Two great organizations are still in the tournaments. Navi and ito yung like kayo pag nakuha niyo ito. We've got Trev to break it down. Parang kayo pag nakuha niyo. Dalawa na nakuha natin. Alam mo, 4 daw ito squishy. Nakuha ko na.
Here with me. Let me
Ganda!
Gen G. This is Ashley. It's great to have you here. But I gotta ask you, this is the
Wait.
third year of the club
Part
championships.
2.
Does it change the way you're gonna be?
Hey guys, ito part 2 na to. Ito guys.
So from your perspective, what are the biggest
Pinulatan
highlights of
ko
this year?
lang siya kasi.
Yeah,
Wala to,
I would
wala
say
to.
definitely
Wala
like what we're
talaga.
setting up right now for the
Titrade ko
storyline
to.
telling is very
Gusto niyo makita sa part yung trading?
like
Punta lang kayo
the
dun.
first,
Ito siya, oh.
first edition of Ecuador
Pati
Expo World Cup,
ito.
they were the champion and then make it against the finals as a setup for the
So
storyline.
this.